This is a quick video, and as you can see, I am not at home, but I still can do a video for you guys. So let's take a look at Tesla today. So we are up $3.27, 1.37%, closed at 242.64. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. We are just in a congestion zone. Nothing is happening. Again, we need to break 250.69 in order to have a move up. But even if we do that, you need to know that we have a downward resistance not too far away. This is at around 265. So just be mindful of that. There's maybe only a little swing that can be happening here. If we close lower than 226.85, then we could be going much lower, like 204. In terms of the indicators, everything is pretty good for Tesla. VIX is just going sideways, nothing to see here. VIX is still low. The government bonds still low. They are stabilizing. They have been stabilizing for the past 2 days or 3 days. US dollar, after the move up that we had without stochastic, it seems like we want to come back down a little bit. So this is par for the course. Let's look at our EV stocks. Rivian, we had the break of the first resistance yesterday. As I said, this could be seen as a buy signal because we broke a horizontal resistance. We had stochastic over 60 and we just got outside of a downward channel. So all of the criteria that we need to have. The only thing is that we had some resistance right here that I just basically erased for nothing. But we had some resistance right here that we broke today. And we also have some resistance at 1953 here. This is the start of the other congestion zone that's above this one right here. This one right here. This is why I'm a little bit ambivalent and I'm saying you need to be cautious because the real break is going to be this one right here. It could work. It could work from this one right here. You just need to be mindful of that. In terms of the technical indicators, everything is very good. We have stochastic at 95, almost 95. This is good. Xpeng, nothing to see here. NEO tried to break 791 yesterday, broke it during the day. Broke it also today, but this is not as strong. We have a red candle. We are down 3.35%. VinFast still under the resistance, closed almost 3% down. This is not the time to buy. So Apple is looking good. Yesterday, we came back below our resistance that we had just broken, but today we are still higher. It seems like we want to stay there. We have a good stochastic. You can try this one. It's still time, but we have a resistance at 196.67. So you need to be mindful of that. ARM is still going sideways. Nothing to see here. Palantir, this is interesting. Look at this perfection right here. It stopped right smack on our support. So is it going to bounce on it or not? Nobody knows. We just need to keep watching. NVIDIA bouncing on 451.75. Let's look at our stock indices. Dow Jones going sideways, pausing a little bit. S&P 500 also. Gold is still respecting the bullish channel support for the third day in a row. This is good news. Silver is still coming down. We should let it go down and wait until it bounces and then shows us some move up in order to think about buying it again. Bitcoin is still pulling back a little bit. It has now stopped on the bullish channel support. Ripple is getting stopped right here at 64. We needed to break 64 cents in order to have a continued move up, but this has not happened yet. And the Nouveau Monde Graphite, this is pretty strong. We were in this congestion zone and we were breaking 251 right here. And we had a hard time going higher and then we went lower. But now look at this. Buyers came in. So I think that the big money are coming in a little bit into this. They waited until the stock went a little bit lower, triggered some maybe selling, triggered some selling when it broke support. And this is when they decided to come in. If we look at the volume, it's at 251,000 and it was approximately at 60,000 the other days. We have a big accumulation right here. So I am thinking into getting into this one right now. Again, nothing new with Tesla, but something is bound to happen eventually because we are going to have a cross between the support right here and this resistance right here. And the stock will have to make a decision soon, maybe in about a week. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.